Right, now what we have here is the CPO chart of a trade that you did. Last week, Bill was calling me at this time here, and we were talking about that. Remember, wheat price was going up and how commodity price is going up. So Bill said that these are all sort of like a sucker trade. At that time, we were about here. So Bill wanted to short. I said, no, Bill, because you have, what is this? This is a ultra high volume bar, right? Normally, ultra volume market has to reverse up. Now, it couldn't go higher than it is. So I told Bill, no, where is the old high here we're talking about? Before this thing came out, there was a gap here, right? There was a gap here. And so I told Bill, if you want to short maybe 3007 or 3008, let us see how it tests it. So as soon as it went up here, Bill shorted what, 365, isn't it? 360.
Shorted the next day.
Yeah, they shorted the next day, this bar here. Then the next bar, it went up higher. However, immediately, you got up bar. Now, this is very important in Wyckoff or in VSA, Tom Williams always say, if you notice this volume here, which is lower than the previous two bar, on the up bar moving up, that is impending sign of weakness. Because as you go higher, you need to have a, what do you do? When you go up to the mountain, you got to press what? More pedal, right? So this is normally try to look for bars that you see volume less than 2. This is favorite of Tom Williams. As a matter of fact, next month I'll be having lunch with Tom Williams. I'll be going up to UK. Yeah, I'll be interviewing him. So if you have any question me to ask him, so I'll set up with him. And another chap I'll be interviewing is also Tim Wong, which is running the AHL fund for the Malaysia, because we've got a lot of clients which is putting up in the AHL Gold Fund. Maybe Bill can talk about it. So to me that's interesting, because the whole point is that I'm going over there to tap into their brain to see how they do, and probably interviewing also Flip Preston, and plus one more guy who makes a lot of money using TradeGuider in UK. So Gavin is going to be in London. I'm meeting him in London. He's hopefully he'll pick me up from the hotel, and we'll probably drive down to this place called Worthing, south of because Tom Williams stays in a villa facing the Atlantic Ocean, right, or the English Channel. That's where he is. So if I can get some good pictures, come back, I'll share it with you guys. Okay, right? So back to this trade again. Okay, now Bill immediately when Bill saw this weakness, let's speak on that one. Okay, Bill was very happy because that didn't came out, right? If you click on that, no demand bar, SOW134. So no demand bar is shorted. And immediately the market came down, right? And today, this was yesterday, but gaps down. But guess what? Bill has taken profit already this morning, because this is what here? This is the support. So it's come down to the support, and let's look at the
diamonds are more.
Yeah. Now the diamonds is going to turn red anyway. Yeah, the diamond's going to turn red. Yeah, it's already turned red here anyway, right? So it's all the way down. Okay. So what I want to show you is the where is it now? Okay, now, see, I told you, Bill, right? Every time when he gaps that thing down, you'll shake out, because you know why? Because all the sheep say, it's time to short, it's time to short. Guess what? The market gaps down, strength come from what? Strength come from the down bars. You got to remember that. That's the principle of Wyckoff. And guess what? You're already up 20 points. So I told Bill, if he gaps down, take the money. And as that, Bill is handsome, and Bill will buy all of us lunch today, Bill, right? And he probably goes to Singapore for that. So we make some money in here. As I said before, market has to gap down back to the support here. But guess what? That's not the end of the story. Now what happens, the market has to test sideways, and from there we will be able to judge by looking at the spread and the volume to see if CPO is going to go up or go down. Right? Remember, VSA and TradeGuider looks into the supply and demand. It does not forecast. It does not tell you CPO price is going to go up this much. Unlike Dorap, remember on the POC conference, he talked about CPO prices will go 4,000. So on that day when he spoke, market didn't do anything. And completely, when the conference ended, it was reported on Bloomberg about 6, 7 o'clock, right? And they were telling the whole world, CPO prices average will be 4,000. 4,000. Where is it now? 3,005. So immediately, right, the market gaps down and then sell down all the way. That doesn't mean the market won't go higher. It may go higher, but we look at the supply and demand of the charts. We don't look at a prophet or God says that how much he can go. Okay, he may be right. I respect him for what he is. But no, we still look at our charts here. We look at our price, and guess what? Look at it now. Okay, so that's all I have, and I want to talk about the CPO trade. And maybe we get Bill to talk about how he made it. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video.